is Hans the Ramenator coming at you again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, my God, this is the 5th review I've done today, or at least cooking video. This one comes from an Umai crate. Go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is Igarashi Seimen. Seimen or Siphon, I can't remember, but it's authentic spicy Umakara flavor. Kitakata Ramen. Okay? See that? The sun's coming out again. As soon as I get done doing these videos, it's like the sun is like, oh, he needs to take pictures now. And then I lose my good light, and the pictures aren't as good as they could be. And it's not like ramen's gonna wait around. It's just gonna drink up all that broth, so. But what can you do? What can you do? 5 minutes on the clock. Well, what I can do, tell you about some neat stuff that I'm up to. Let's take this. It's a liquid sachet. That's plus. Let's do our quote of the day real quick. Momo Fukuendo speaks. Quotations from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Human beings are noodle beings. Number 166. Wow. There are arguments both for and against keeping management within the family. But I, for one, don't always see the need for it. Whoever is most capable should sit at the top of the company. You're not boiling over on me today. No, thank you. Well, I've got some exciting news I'd like to share. I got an email the other day, and I'm doing an interview for a magazine in South Korea. I haven't done like a out of the blue interview in a long time. And the interviewer asked some really nice questions. That was fun. Some unique ones, like what is a typical day for the Ramen Raider look like? It's like, oh, I'll tell you. Just like a timestamp for everything. Yeah. But and I got to take some pictures. I'm redoing stuff out here a little bit. I moved down the Ramen Raider flag into its now permanent position. But I got to like take stuff off the wall above it and put some posters in a row up there. What I really want to do is like, I got to pull out the desk that I have the computer and all the other junk at. Clean behind there. Clean there, clean. It's been a while. It'd be a nice thing to do. Clean the children. But yeah, the magazine is called Top Class, and it's about people who have achieved success in their field. Like, I don't know. Have I? I guess. I've got a weird field. Sometimes it feels like a prairie, if you ask me, a desert. Hey, that's enough out there, noise faces. Time out. I think they're kicking the wall behind me. That really... They know better. They do. They're 4 and 5. They definitely know better. They're getting quite good at the please and thank you, though. One moment. And I'm back. There. That's done. Just a couple words, and they're listening, and that's a good thing. So dig this. So we got new neighbors upstairs, and I don't know if they're just like really frisky, or one of them does a lot of push-ups, but every once in a while the floor above us squeaks like to no end. It's like and it's like very frequent. I'm thinking like, I don't know, if they're getting down a lot. Maybe they're trying to have a kid, I don't know. But jeepers, so funny. It happened like yesterday in the morning, and Mimi just got this look on her face. She was all like, I don't like that sound. If it's the sound that it kind of sounds like, they got the right idea. Nice thing to do on a Sunday morning. Anyway. Kind of weird though. They're always home. They never go anywhere. Why are they always? Are they just millionaires? I'm always home. And I am not a millionaire. That's the thing around here. It's like every once in a while, you actually have a nice conversation with a neighbor. But usually it's just like everybody keeps to themselves. I think the fact that I walk around all the time with like a loudspeaker probably isn't like so endearing to people. They're probably like, that guy walks around all the time with a loudspeaker. Probably should stay away from him. Who knows? Who knows what he's up to at that time in the morning? Like, I'm just walking, getting exercise. A lot of exercise. Giving cops tips. I was out like in the morning a couple weeks ago on a Saturday morning, and there was this car that was on the curb, and it was still dark out, and it just, the vibe I got was like, and there was like a power pole that was down. It wasn't a power, it was a light post. But obviously, it slammed into it, knocked it down. I was like, did this just happen? What's the deal? Well, a little bit later in the week, I noticed this this post on the local Facebook group here mentioning that there were two traffic accidents that happened where the driver just left. And that was one of them. It showed a picture, the same picture. It's like, if anybody has any info on this, please call, or blah, blah, blah. I'm like, well, I don't have any info, but I've got a picture that I took of it because it was kind of creepy. That was at like 5:47 a.m. on this date. So if they've got surveillance footage or a traffic camera, maybe that'll help iron out when it was there. I mean, it really wouldn't be that hard. You just go back and forth through it, and once there's a car there, and when there's not one, you just spin back. I don't know. There we go. Ooh. Wow. Umakara, no kidding. Spicy. Yeah, that's got a good hit to it. I'm impressed. 9 times out of 10, 9 times out of 10 when I have something that says it's spicy and it's from Japan, no, not at all. Not even remotely spicy. Until I tried the, what was it called? 18 Prohibited. That stuff was more than remotely spicy. That stuff I've never conquered. And that's saying something, because I've tried a lot of spicy instant noodles in my day. And I've been able to take them all on. Even the one that I consider the spiciest. The Kali's World's Hottest Ramen. I have eaten that. And it hurt. Boy, did it hurt. I died. Twice. Let's dispense with the pleasantries, shall we? And just go right for the throat with the beauty egg. That I cut. Oh no! Oh no! I can't do it. I can't use this one. I just can't do it. I didn't cut it right down the center. I cut it so only one side had egg and it didn't look, or yolk, and it didn't look right. So there we go. Let's try that again. Right dead center. Come on, dude. Get with it. There we go. Why do you want to go that way? Okay. Back I am. Jeez, Mimi, that's fearsome and loud and ridiculous. That. Let's get our chashu as we wrap up the last of five instant noodle reviews of today. I like that. Yeah, this is a good one. I'm impressed. It's got a good, not only does it have a good heat level, but the thickness of the broth was really unexpected. I thought this was going to be thin and a little bit spicy. This stuff's thick. Very nice character to it. It says good things. They're being loud out there. They're being loud out there. I hear them out there. They're being loud. Uh-oh. Hey, kid, this is my show. So, do you want some music, everybody? No, they don't. All they want is me. Here come the comments. And watch, there goes the sun. See that? The sun is gone. Let's go with some seed. Nice amount of sesame seed here. And some shichimi. Like that. Beauty, eh? Oh yeah. God, I miss Canada. Like that. Pretty as a frickin' picture. Alright. Reset. Here we go. that was 5, count 'em, 5 instant noodle reviews in one day. That was like a Monday through Friday for you, so I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to keep doing more all this week, so, yeah. Oh, wow. Not this episode, but the episode before this and before that. That episode will be the episode that came out of my birthday. Wow. I was going to say something. I was going to say, hey, today's my birthday. Oh, well. Well, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Excuse me. Subscribe, like, fantasize. Have a good one. Bye.
Moyo está calor.